Hi folks, welcome to the Cannes Film Festival, where dreams are made and legends are born. This Wednesday, we had the premiere for the latest installment in Mad Max Saga, that is Furiosa. And amidst the glitz and glamour, there's a moment which held a special significance, the 7 minutes ovation, and today we'll discuss what makes this ovation so special. Imagine this, the credits roll, the lights come up, and the audience rises to their feet in unison. For 7 electrifying minutes, applause echoes through the Hollywood halls, a thunderous tribute to the power of cinema. But what does it mean? What is the significance of this gesture? It's more than just clapping hands. It's a celebration of creativity and a validation of artistic vision, and a testament to the emotional impact of storytelling. It says, your work matters. You have touched our souls. You have made us laugh, cry, and think. And for those 7 minutes, the world stops, and all that matters is the magic unfolding on screen. While a 7 minutes ovation may not be the most extreme example, it's still significant that the film was very well received by the audience at Cannes. The length of the applause is influenced by the reaction of influential people in the front row, like filmmakers and actors, which the rest of the audience tends to imitate. A standing ovation, even if it's not record-breaking, helps generate buzz and attention for a film at Cannes. It demonstrates that the film made an impact on the audience, and it's considered a strong contender for awards. However, a long ovation doesn't necessarily guarantee a film's commercial success or critical acclaim outside of Cannes. But we can see Furiosa make it a big in the theaters, just like the predecessors that was Mad Max, Fury Road. If you're just remembering, it makes me have an adrenaline rush. So the next time you hear about a film receiving a 7 minutes ovation at Cannes, remember what it represents. It is just an applause. It's a celebration of the human experience, captured frame by frame.